Hi, in today's video I am sharing with you my completed tiny house quilt block. I finished the hexagon shape, I added on the binding, and now this completed embellishment will go onto a 10-inch by 10-inch block, and I'm going to choose the fabric to put that on, and then a piece of batting, and then I'll decide on the sashing. So isn't this cute? Didn't that turn out really, really nice? I'm very happy with it. So my first quilt block in the Slow Stitching Sampler series is completed. So I would love to know how you're doing with the series, and let me know if you need any help or have any questions. And please feel free to post your pictures as you complete your projects or have any questions in the Facebook group that I created, Slow Stitching Sampler. Next, I wanted to share with you the completed slow stitching embroidery book. This is a soft book that I've made, and this is the third one that I've made here with you on my channel. The first one was the pink and white, and it's a soft book kit that you can pick up in my Etsy shop. The next one was a purple bird and floral soft book kit that's also available. And then now I made this blue one. Absolutely love it. And I haven't made a kit for this one yet, but you could message me if you're interested. The only difference is that the pages and the fabric will be blue, where the others are purple, and the pink and white one is actually white felt that I'm using for the pages now. So let me show you this. Isn't this turn out so beautiful? So these were all fabric scraps that were in my shop that I used to decorate this cover. So this was a Paris theme piece that I had in my collection that I had picked up. And then the cover, the whole cover itself, was a vintage fabric that I had gifted to me from other sources. And so let me start with this pen here on the front. I posted a video where I had an outing with my husband, and we went to this antique shop called the Old Red Barn. So I picked up this darling vintage antique pen, and it's a basket with flowers in it, and this blue color just matches this perfectly. When I saw it, I knew exactly what I wanted it for, and it was going to go on the cover of my soft book. And this beautiful vintage button here, and the Battenberg lace, didn't that turn out beautiful? Okay, so on the inside, this is a pocket, so I cut this cover piece long enough. I knew I wanted to have pockets, and so I put a binding on all the edges. I wanted everything covered. I didn't want any raw edges showing. So now I can put a cute small little journal in here or whatever I want to do. And the pages turned out so beautifully. And each page is so unique, and it just has its own features. This is the waterfall fabric page. Here's my two pockets. So that's the first set of pages. And then the next one, I used one of the Laura Lee design images. There's kits with these adorable, whimsical garden women and farm girl women in the shop as well. I have one that's framed art that I used. And this, absolutely, I love how I just made each page so unique and so different. This is another little pocket here. And then this absolutely beautiful page back here with all the different elements. And picking out each piece is just so much fun. And it's just like going on a little treasure hunt in your fabric and laces and ribbons and all that. It's just a lot of fun doing these. And then I added these Dogwood Lane ceramic buttons, and this is just a little cluster. Both of these flip up. So this is a bunny rabbit, this is a cat, and then this fabric was from my friend Rita, I wanted to incorporate some of what she just gave me recently. And then this back page, so these are new and vintage fabrics that I've combined in this soft book. And then I put a piece of ribbon here, lace, and then another pocket back here. So a total of, let's see, let's go through and count this. So here's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 pages, and out of 3 pieces of batting felt, you get 12 pages, so you count front and back. So that's a lot of fun and decorating, and I can still put different things here. I'm going to put something in this back pocket. So didn't that turn out adorable? I really loved how this turned out. So thank you for joining me. Check out my next video where I do a I think, is it Miss Quilty or Mrs. Quilty? Let me look on my, I have a sneak peek under her. Yeah, Mrs. Quilty. So the next video, check it out, Mrs. Quilty unboxing. Thank you for being with me. Stay safe and keep creating in the sunshine. Bye-bye.